Okay. Okay, we are now beginning Hasbar 3:3. We are on the third wide line down on Daf Bet Amud Bet. And again, we're trying to answer now the maskif, the objection of Rav Papa, right? Rav Papa seemed to reason the following. In the ratio, we said that when the man does everything, the woman is mukudeshet, the kedusha takes place. That would imply that if he didn't do everything, that means he did one part and the woman did the other part, the kedusha wouldn't take place. And yet, if we look at the Sefer, where we saw in the Sefer where the women did everything, kedusha does not take place, the kedusha is not valid, we can infer maybe that if she only did part of it and the man did part of it, maybe it would be okay. So the Gemara answers, V'i bos ema. If you prefer, we can answer in the following way. Nasanhu v'amarhu. When the man gives, and the man says the script to the woman, mukudeshet, there's kedushin. V'natnahi v'amrehi, any mukudeshet. And where in the case where the woman gives the money and she says the script, there is no kedushin. That's very clear. Those cases are very clear. But what about the middle case that the Breita left out? Nasanhu v'amrehi. He gives the money, nasanhu, v'amrehi, and she says the script, right? She says, I am now sanctified to you. What about this case, this middle of the road case? And the Gemara says, sveikihi. We're not really sure. We have a doubt. We're not sure if this is a good kedushin or not. We're not sure about the level of this, if there's any kedushin. If there is kedushin, what's the level? V'chashinin the Rabbanan, and the Rabbanan are concerned about this kind of kedushin. Therefore, this middle case, we're going to say that it's possible she is mukudeshet. Now, how does this play out practically? So I'll try to explain in practical terms. If a woman had a full kedushin on a Torah level, that means the man said everything and he gave everything. He did everything. She is mukudeshet, and that means if another guy came along and wanted to marry her and she said yes, it's nothing. There's no kedushin involved. Once a woman is mukudeshet to her husband, no other kedushin can take place. A person can't be married to two people. A woman can be married to two people. However, in this case, where the man gave the money, and she said the script, and a guy comes over to her and gives her money and says, I want you to be mukudeshet to me, and she says yes, because it's a rabbinic level, she might be married to the second guy now too, and therefore it would be such a mess, she would require divorce from both these people, or at least the one that she wouldn't want to be with. It would be a very messy situation, and that's why the Gemara uses the word chashinan de Rabbanan. The Rabbanan would be very concerned about the situation because it could really create a lot of other problems. So the bottom line of the Gemara is the Torah is teaching us to create kedushin. The man has to give the money, and the man has to say the script. Please make sure you put this all in your Hasbar, and make sure you do a complete summary.